This is just a sample of the audiobook. To get the complete audiobook, access the link posted in the first comment.
Chapter 1, Why Launch a Young Living Business? Welcome, my name is Sarah Harnisch. I'm a Young Living Platinum and the leader of the Oil Ability team. With God's complete grace, I attained Platinum rank in Young Living 17 months after getting my starter kit, while homeschooling my 5 children, rearing a special needs son, anchoring news full-time starting at 4 a.m., and cooking gluten-free, sugar-free, and dairy-free meals for 7 people with allergies. For more than a decade and a half, I have been a news anchor, which meant depleting my body of sleep and robbing my husband and children of time. Although I love radio and I never took a day in the anchor chair for granted, it was extremely hard on my body, like running a marathon every single day. I retired from full-time radio on August 27th, 2015, after just 14 months with Young Living. When I launched my Young Living business, I lived in a new state, in an extremely rural and impoverished area with very poor internet access, and I had no circle of friends. I'd love to say that running a network marketing company is easy, but the road has been full of curves and obstacles, and I'm still learning every single day. I do believe, though, that with Christ as the center of your business and tenacity, anyone can run a Young Living business. It has nothing to do with who you know, how famous you are, how you look, what your personality is, where you live, or how much income, or even how much time you have. If I can pull this off, you can pull this off. This book is about showing you things that I have picked up along my journey. Why start a Young Living business? That is the question that I get more than any other question. And here's the short answer. It's better than any job you've ever had, including a job that you love. I love anchoring news. Why? Freedom. If you can show your leaders and your potential business builders that this is better than what they're doing right now, you will have a lifelong business builder.